Yo, what's popping, guys? So today I'm going to be bringing you a very powerful strategy on volatility 75 index. So don't fidget or don't be afraid. The strategy is very easy. It's going to be another divergence strategy. I'm kind of working divergence now this period. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade VIX 75 easily and calmly on the 15 minutes time frame. So what you need in this strategy is just the 15 minutes time frame and the 4 hours. Yeah, that's just what you need. 15 minutes and 4 hours, guys. So let's say you are waking up on a beautiful morning. What do? The first thing you do is you go to your 4 hours time frame. When you get your 4 hours time frame, you see this yellow line on our main chart. You check if the 4 hours is below or above this yellow line. If it's below this yellow line, it's on a downtrend. If it's above, it's on an uptrend. Only about 8% of you guys watching my channel have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, kindly like this video and click on the subscribe button immediately. So yeah, then let me mark here. Once you see that the 4 hours is on a uptrend or a downtrend, currently is on a downtrend. Once you see that it's on a downtrend, what do you do next? You go to your 15 minutes, bro. Once you go to your 15 minutes, you look for a divergence. Okay, what do I mean by divergence? I explained divergence in my previous video. So if you don't know what divergence means, you can watch the previous video. So you look for a divergence, and once you've seen a divergence, you wait for your TDI. You know, we always use TDI in this channel. You wait for your TDI to cross the red and cross the yellow. Once it crosses, you take an entry and maybe you can TP around this 30. Once the lines get to this 30 or 20 region, this for uptrend is the opposite of what I'm saying. So okay, let's backtest a little bit. So what do we see here? Okay, we did see a setup here. And then see a setup here. Let's go forward a little bit forward if we are going to see something. Let's go a little bit forward if we're going to see a good setup from the market. Let's check. Let us check. Oh, all right. Okay, look at this place here. There was a cool divergence here. If you understand what I mean, you see here in our indicator, look at this divergence, the green. Look at this green line in my indicator, where my crosshair here is. You see, I want to draw a little bit of a trend line. Look at here. There's a divergence. This one was an uptrend. It was in an uptrend in the indicator, while on the market, it was in a downtrend. You need to practice this so you can learn how to spot divergence easily. So it was in a downtrend here. So what will happen when I'm suspecting a divergence? For my confirmation, I will wait. Okay, I'm expecting a divergence to happen. Okay, my confirmation, I'll wait for this green to cross this red and cross this yellow. It crossed it right here. Then I'll take my entry here. Then I'll write it down. I'll write it down to this place. Probably write it down to when this green comes and touch this 30 region. Once it touches, I'm out of the market. Understand what I'm saying, guys? Yeah. So if you are trading an uptrend market, you wait for a a reverse divergence. What I explain now, just turn it around. The opposite is an uptrend. Or do you, okay, let me give you guys an example for an uptrend. Let me give you guys an example for an uptrend. So as you can see here, the market cross on top the yellow line and uptrend, then it ended here. So let's go to our 15 minutes and check. Go to our 15 minutes. Okay, we're looking for a buying divergence that we can find. Okay, this is a perfect example. As you can see here, it's the market was in an uptrend here, the market too, and on our indicator it was on a downtrend. So what do you do once that happens? Once that happens, you do this. Okay, once it happens, you wait for it to cross the red and wait for it to cross the yellow. Though there was a little bit of retracement, but it went up. Once you touch the 70 region, bam, you leave the market immediately. You leave the market. Let's see if we can see another divergence anywhere here. Okay, there was nothing here. Let's see if we can find any other one. There was nothing. Oh, at times markets won't give you what you want, but there was nothing here. Oh, nothing here, nothing here. Okay, we're still searching. So it was only one divergence that we saw in this trend, but that's that. Just because of that divergence, you can see how many people would have caught. Look at a lot. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.